Chapter number 1, Understanding Diversity. Draw up a list of different festivals celebrated in your locality. Which of these celebrations are shared by members of different regional and religious communities? Answer. Festivals shared by different religion and religious communities are Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. These are our national festivals. So every Indian celebrates them irrespective of region and religion. What do you think living in India with its rich heritage of diversity adds to your life? Answer. Yes, living in India with its rich heritage of diversity adds to our life in the following ways. We know different people, their culture, costumes, traditions, backgrounds. These diverse things add to our life. Geographical diversity decides our way of life, our food, our occupations, and many other things. We relish our costumes and traditions. Do you think the term unity in diversity is an appropriate term to describe India? What do you think Nehru is trying to say about Indian unity in the sentence quoted about from his book The Discovery of India? Answer. Yes, we think that the term unity in diversity is an appropriate term to describe India diversities. Geographical diversities like different physical features, climates, vegetations, rivers and lakes. Cultural diversities like different languages, religions, communities, costumes, traditions, festivals, rituals, etc. Despite all these diversities, there is unity among the people. They are one. They stood against the British and threw the mighty empire by adopting ahimsa and peaceful means. All the people belonging to various regions are one when the country's interests are involved. In natural disasters, they wholeheartedly contribute for mitigating the sufferings of the people. Fourth one, underline the line in the poem sung after the Jallianwala Massacre, which according to you reflects India's essential unity. Answer. The blood of Hindu and Muslims flows together today. Second one, match the items given in column A correctly with those given in column B. Column A, column B, Ladakh, wool, Kerala, spices, Amritsar, Jallianwala Bagh, Rabindranath Tagore, the national anthem, Jawaharlal Nehru, the discovery of India. Third one, true or false. All Indians hear the national anthem. True. All Indians have the same national language. True. All Indians speak the same language. False. Pandit Nehru was the first president of India. False. The caste system is an example of diversity. False. Kerala and Ladakh are in different parts of India. True. The geographical of Ladakh allows the cultivations of spices. False. Fill in the blanks. A caste system is a form of inequality. Inequality comes when a person does not have access to resources and opportunities. A country's costumes, religions, arts, and history constitute its culture. People traveled in search of new lands and people. When people travel to other places, intermixing of cultures takes place. Habitat is associated with the geographical area one lives in. Both Kerala and Ladakh were influenced by Chinese and Arab. A British general opened fire on a public meeting in Jallianwala Bagh on April 13, 1919. The Discovery of India is a book by Jawaharlal Nehru.